quiet on the set.
Alright. Hey guys, alright, I'm not gonna waste any time because, quite frankly, I don't have any time to waste. It is currently October 27th? 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 It is currently Monday, October 27th, which means that it's only 4
days.
4 more days until Halloween. If you read the title, I'm trying to make my costume. Hello? So let me just get through this, okay? So I'm going to be, dun 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 dun, a ladybug. A ladybug! This is a couple's costume, all right? So I'll show you the other side soon. Try to guess. So this is the sketch for my ladybug costume, all right? Y'all saw that? So basically the handmade part that we're going to be focusing on is gonna be the sweater here, okay? If you couldn't tell, this is a sweater, okay? I crochet, I'm not an artist. I'm not a drawer. So basically, I'm crocheting a red sweater. It's a little cropped if you didn't notice from the drawing here. Super cute, fashionable in. And I also figured, you know, why not play into the lady factor of the ladybug? You know, make it a little cute. So yeah, red crop sweater. And then I'm gonna crochet some black spots and I'm going to put them in formation on the sweater. Just in case you're questioning my formation, I actually did my research, insert picture here, and I literally took a reference from a real ladybug, so try and tell me that my sweater is inaccurate. So anyway, I'm going to be having that ladybug sweater and I'm gonna pair it with this black bodysuit underneath. The weather has been switching up a little every other day, so I haven't decided if I'm gonna do a long sleeve bodysuit or like a you know, a tank bodysuit yet, you know, but it'll be cute either way because the sweater is gonna be a little see-through. I'm gonna show you guys, okay? Then I have this black skirt that I have, and then these are just some stockings, okay? Is the vision coming together? Okay, and then if you're wondering what this red is right here, I'm gonna try to add, if I have time, another red element over the skirt. And I haven't decided exactly how I'm gonna do that yet, but I think like a cute overskirt, crocheted overskirt. I don't know if they've done that yet. I don't know if there's a tutorial for that one yet, but I'm gonna try to do it. All right, that's all for the drawing. So this is the yarn that I selected for my costume, okay? And spoiler alert, I already started. I'm a little more responsible than you think, okay? I already did start on this, okay? I'm not starting on the 27th. It's crunch time, y'all. It's crunch time. So I have the sweater pretty much done, all but done, really. It came out cuter than I could have even imagined. I have a lot of ends to sew in. Probably the most ends I've had on ever. But we're gonna get those dealt with, and then we're gonna get these spots done, which I have also already started on. This is the big spot, little spot. So that's where I'm at. Working on some spots. And oh, hold on. Just want to show them your costume. You guessed it. The other costume is a bee. If you guessed, leave a comment down below. Alright, so this is what I have so far. I just finished all the spots, so now I'm just laying it out, trying to see where I'm going to place them on the sweater. Based off my reference photo, I have my big spot on top, and then, you know, the other spots here. And then the last spot I'm gonna put on each sleeve on the back. so I can just bring my arms around like this and like finish the shape. Do you see it? Do you see the ladybug shape? Hopefully you can see it. So now I just need to finish all these things off with like the ends being sewn in and everything. And then I'm gonna attach the spots in place and then I'll catch back up with y'all. Okay guys, quick update. I didn't put the spots on yet because I ended up taking a leap of faith and starting this skirt over skirt that I wanted to make. So I ended up being able to get this done. Here it is. And it's gonna be super cute over the black skirt. I'm gonna add some spots to it as well. It's gonna be so cute, guys, trust. And it's gonna go with the sweater. So now I'm about to put the spots on the sweater and the skirt. All right, you guys, this is the final costume. I am officially a crochet ladybug. I'm really happy with how this skirt came out. I'm really glad that I added it. My sweater is so warm and cozy, and yeah, I'm a ladybug. This is how my boyfriend's came out, and it's giving B, isn't it? I think it's pretty cool. I personally think that it looked better on him, but you know, this is me in it. I'm a bee in it. Hold on.
This is me in it, and I'm a bee in it. And if you wanna see me, and I'm a bee in it.
Hey y'all, we're at Dave & Buster's. Drinks, bowling, sweater off, walking in, and bowling. Hey y'all, so I didn't record an outro for this video, so here are some cute pictures of my finished outfit, how I looked in it. I really love how it came out. The sweater honestly came out so cute that I ended up making the spots removable. I was gonna sew them on originally, but the sweater was too cute on its own. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you like this type of video. I would definitely be down to make more and get more footage for them.